Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and disable the adaptive dark mode on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. If you want the dark mode to be enabled automatically at night, then you can go to the settings, then head to personalize, scroll all the way down, and then go to dark mode over here. Press this button. Now make sure to select the transition, and of course then you need to press save. Now keep in mind that in order to use this transition mode, the adaptive dark mode, we need to also enable the location, as this feature works with location. So we can go back to the settings menu, go to location, and then over here make sure to enable the location. In addition to that, we can also find it in the quick access. However, in my case, I had to edit the quick access, so you might need to tap this pen and then scroll down to find the location somewhere over here. Then you might need to drag and drop it above in order to have it in the quick access. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.